Hey everyone, I'm Jay Cohen, editorial director here at Feed. Today we are with our friends at GE Profile to use our GE Profile smart appliances to show you how to make the easiest pantry breakfast. We are doing a spicy chickpea shakshuka. Kind of just grab a few cans from my cupboard, a few spices, onion, garlic, and some eggs, and you got breakfast. I'm gonna show you how to make it. First up, we are going to slice up a medium yellow onion and 1 garlic clove. We're going to get a cast iron pan over medium-high heat, and we're going to heat up 3 tablespoons of olive oil. All right, we're going to add our onion and garlic, as well as a pinch of salt and pepper. Cook this down until it is nice and caramelized. All right. At this point, I'm going to add in our spices. I've got 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, just for a little bit of a kick. You could definitely add more if your heart desires. We're gonna add in a 15-ounce can of chickpeas that I drained. I'm just gonna cook to kind of crisp up the chickpeas a little bit. It'll only take about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, and once our chickpeas are golden, we are going to add in 1 15-ounce can of tomato puree and 1 15-ounce can of diced fire-roasted tomatoes. Hit it with a little bit of salt. Now we're gonna let this simmer for about 15 minutes. So you're really just looking to thicken it up slightly, infuse all of those flavors together, but still have enough liquid that it will poach the eggs beautifully. Let's make shakshuka. What we're gonna do is, I got all of my eggs into little mise bowls, just to make my life a little bit easier for speed. I am going to make a little well and drop an egg in. Beautiful. I'm gonna do 4 today. We'll give each a little pinch of salt. So now we're going to let it just simmer until the whites are set, the yolks are still nice and runny, and we will eat. All right, our shakshuka is done. The eggs are poached and gorgeous. The only thing left to do is garnish it up, throw in whatever herbs you have on hand. I'm gonna do some cilantro leaves, a little bit of scallions, just to give it a little bit of color, but if you don't have, don't have. The chickpeas add the perfect body. This is just such a hearty breakfast, or you can have this as a breakfast for dinner. Honestly, any way you make this, you're going to have an incredible meal. If you want the full recipe, you can head to feedfeed.com. A huge thanks to our friends at GE Appliances for outfitting Feed Brooklyn with GE Profile smart appliances.